So I'll be showing you how to quickly type symbols and special characters anywhere on your Windows computer, literally anywhere. Could be in Google Docs, could be in Word, Excel, it could be even on a website, even in the URL bar. You can actually type any symbol and any special character by pressing Windows plus period on your keyboard, and that brings up this little window. Now this is a Microsoft window that contains all this stuff. Now in this section we have emojis. So this allows you to type any emoji that you want, and you have different categories of emojis. And then if you go back, you have GIFs. Okay, so that allows you to add GIFs anywhere that you're typing. Now I could go back again. We have symbols here, and this includes special characters. So these are all symbols and special characters. You have different categories like general punctuation. You have currency symbols, and you can scroll using these arrows to reveal Latin symbols and characters, geometric symbols. You have math symbols, supplemental symbols. You have all these symbols and special characters that you can type. So basically, once you get whatever you want, all you have to do is click on it and it's gonna type it literally anywhere. Okay, so Windows and period, that appears. Choose whatever you want to type and just type it. Okay, it's extremely simple and it works anywhere within the Windows environment. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.